Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikiptanga kukuya pani channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chingwagara ka subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video.
Through the chief, our legal team has successfully served ZEC through the chief of elections, Mr. Otole Saigwana, with our appeal and the letter of demand of all our legitimate candidates to be included on the ballot for tomorrow's by-election. The statement by Mr. Saigwana that he has removed our candidates is therefore nullified by the court appeal, pending the determination of that appeal. Accordingly, by-elections are proceeding as scheduled with all our candidates on the ballot paper. We urge all citizens to turn out in their numbers to reconfirm our legitimate candidates by re-electing them back into Parliament. This whole debacle of going back and forth in the justice system has exposed the following. Zanu-PF has contaminated and corrupted our justice system through the criminal abuse of the courts. They are afraid of proper elections and are using nefarious, albeit failed attempts to remove legitimately nominated candidates from the ballot paper. They have tried without success to use the needless by-elections to divert our attention from claiming and pursuing our victory of the harmonized elections of August 2023. The regime is afraid of our momentum and the huge and genuine political support that President Chamisa and the Citizens Coalition for Change have accumulated in the country. This has been exposed by the clandestine use of rogue elements to abduct, torture, and assassinate our candidates and activists. In Mavuku Tafara, for example, they have abducted and murdered Bishop Chapumani Masaya. Although the perpetrators of these heinous acts are known and have been recorded on camera, no single arrests have been effected. While seized with the senseless and unlawful by-elections, the government business has collapsed and resulted in citizens being denied proper representation, being denied their right to